InnoRenew is a very big opportunity to develop something new, to take a chance with our research and with the way that we interact with society and actually develop something that has a meaningful impact straight from the get-go. So we can design our research in a way that it has an impact on society directly.
The InnoRenew Center of Excellence is an independent, not-for-profit research institute. It was established in 2017 in the framework of the InnoRenew project funded by the European Union's Horizon 2020 program. The research groups at the InnoRenew Center of Excellence are Human Health in the Built Environment, Renewable Materials Composites, Information and Computer Technologies, Wood Modification, Data Science, and Sustainable Building with Renewable Materials.
We want to build excellence and recognition in two areas. One is restorative environmental and ergonomic design, where human health in the built environment is the most important. The other is wood modification, which, until now, did not receive institutional attention. It is not at any other institution in the world. We want to create the basic knowledge that will bring us to the very top of the research world, as well as provide applied knowledge that can be transferred to the economy.
We do different modifications to wood, one of which is densification. This basically uses heat, pressure, and moisture to soften and compress the wood. So with the densification process, we improve some of the strength properties, and that allows them to have different applications than they normally would.
In our research group, Health in a Built Environment, we work on ergonomic furniture, design of ergonomic furniture, and we evaluate how ergonomic furniture affects the human's well-being.
At InnoRenew, we are developing new materials and treatments, but also testing commercially available products. Here we have the natural weathering test of the commercially available samples of modified wood and natural wood.
All the information from our experiment together. On one side, the dose, so how harmful was the weather for the wood, and then response, how the material responded. We can build all together into a simple simulation software.
At the InnoRenew, I use multi-scale modeling method to design and understand the physical chemical properties of wood materials and wood components at the atomic and molecular level.
One of the things we're researching is also the connections of CLT. Our new building is also going to be made of CLT, and the thing that really governs the response of CLT when it comes to the whole building behavior, so let's say when we're under the loads of earthquake and seismic, wind and so on, is actually the connections we use to brace that CLT elements together.
Here, on the place of these heaps of wasteland in Isola's Livada district, we are preparing everything to start construction of a new InnoRenew Center of Excellence.
It will be a hybrid combination of different construction systems, including wood. It will host systems for long-term monitoring of the building's load-bearing timber elements under service load. This building will be a test case of restorative environmental and ergonomic design with lots of open space, natural light, and natural materials. We collaborate with research and development institutions, industries, international and national platforms and associations, Living Lab members, and project partners. We have 21 ongoing international and national research projects. We have more than 125 submitted project proposals, of which more than 35% were successfully funded. We have submitted proposals with collaborators in more than 20 countries. Living Lab InnoRenew is an organization focused on user needs and solutions. It encompasses industry members, research organizations, and communities from Slovenia and abroad. Currently, there are 113 stakeholders from 27 countries.
In my opinion, the InnoRenew Center of Excellence will become an institution that goes beyond the border of Europe. Many times we emphasize our diversity, and our diversity is, in fact, that we are open to the world and have collaborators across the globe.
Coming from Australia, I was investigating how we can do further research, and I found out that in Europe, actually in Slovenia, there is a research institute that I've been in contact with at a conference before. In this particular institution, I found a very nice environment. All the researchers are collaborating together, they know what they are doing, and they are very welcoming with international researchers.
Lumira is heavily focusing on the development of new kinds of materials from bio and circular economy based raw materials. And for this kind of development, we need multidisciplinary partners for this research. And in this sense, InnoRenew is an extremely good partner for us, since they have knowledge from health research to architecture and also material sciences. So that's why we contacted first InnoRenew to talk about what we can do together.
Timber isn't just a renewable, sustainable material, but it's also a very sophisticated material. It's quite a complicated material, and it does require research to understand its properties. Even now, after we've been using it for millennia, there are still things about timber that we don't understand.